Will Cardano ever hit $10? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Cardano? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. The open-source project also aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Cardano is one of the biggest blockchains to successfully use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is less energy-intensive than the proof-of-work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. Although the much larger Ethereum is going to be upgrading to POS, this transition is only going to take place gradually. The project has taken pride in ensuring that all of the technology developed goes through a process of peer-reviewed research, meaning that bold ideas can be challenged before they are validated. According to the Cardano team, this academic rigor helps the blockchain to be durable and stable, increasing the chance that potential pitfalls can be anticipated in advance. In 2020, Cardano held a Shelley upgrade that aimed to make its blockchain 50 to 100 times more decentralized than other large blockchains. At the time, Hoskinson predicted that this would pave the way for hundreds of assets to run on its network. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $5 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025.